Now for the side plank with oblique crunch. Place your left forearm firmly on the floor, ensuring that your elbow is directly below your shoulder and that your forearm is parallel to your shoulder. Extend both legs and using your obliques, gently raise your hips off the floor. Position your feet on one top of each other with your right arm extended above your head. This is your starting position. While maintaining a straight back and stabilizing through your abdominals, simultaneously bend your right knee, hip, and elbow to draw your elbow and knee together. Extend your right arm and leg to return to the starting position. Repeat the specified amount of repetitions or time on the other side. Repeat for the desired amount of time and/or reps.